Productivity is one of the most sought-after traits in today's fast-paced world. It's what sets successful people apart from those who struggle to achieve their goals. However, despite the best intentions, most people make mistakes that can hinder their productivity and keep them from achieving their goals. We will explore the most common productivity mistakes people make and how to avoid them to achieve personal, professional, or academic goals faster. Common productivity mistakes. Let's take a look at some of the most common productivity mistakes people make. 1. Multitasking. Many people believe that they can accomplish more by doing multiple things simultaneously. However, research has shown that multitasking can actually decrease productivity by up to 40%. When you try to do too many things at once, your brain has to constantly switch between tasks, causing a loss of focus and productivity. 2. Procrastination. Procrastination is the enemy of productivity. People often put off tasks until the last minute, causing unnecessary stress and decreased productivity. Instead, try breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable parts and setting achievable deadlines to avoid procrastination. 3. Lack of prioritization. Not prioritizing tasks can lead to a lack of focus and wasted time. It's important to identify which tasks are most important and tackle them first, leaving less important tasks for later. 4. Distractions. With the rise of social media and smartphones, distractions are more prevalent than ever before. Constant notifications and interruptions can break your focus and decrease productivity. Try turning off notifications or setting aside specific times to check your phone or social media accounts. 5. Lack of breaks. Taking breaks may seem counterproductive, but they are crucial for maintaining focus and increasing productivity. It's important to take short breaks throughout the day to recharge and avoid burnout. Tips for increasing productivity. Now that we've identified some of the most common productivity mistakes, here are some tips for increasing productivity and achieving your goals faster. 1. Set specific goals. Setting specific, achievable goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. 2. Prioritize tasks. Prioritizing tasks can help you stay on track and avoid wasting time on less important tasks. Identify which tasks are most important and tackle them first. 3. Create a schedule. Creating a schedule can help you stay organized and focused. Use a planner or digital calendar to schedule your tasks and deadlines. 4. Take breaks. Taking short breaks throughout the day can help you recharge and maintain focus. Try taking a walk or doing a quick workout to refresh your mind and body. 5. Eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions such as social media and phone notifications can help you stay focused and increase productivity. Try turning off notifications or using a productivity app to block distracting websites during work hours. In conclusion, productivity mistakes can hinder your ability to achieve personal, professional, or academic goals. By avoiding common mistakes such as multitasking, procrastination, lack of prioritization, and distractions, you can increase productivity and achieve your goals faster. By implementing strategies such as setting specific goals, prioritizing tasks, creating a schedule, taking breaks, and eliminating distractions, you can improve your productivity and achieve success in all areas of your life.